What is a smart home security system?
A smart home security system is a network of internet-connected devices that monitor and protect your home. These systems often combine cameras, sensors, alarms, and smart locks, all controlled through a smartphone app or central hub. Unlike traditional alarm systems, smart security devices can send alerts, let you check cameras remotely, and even automate responses to potential threats.
How does a smart home security system work?
Smart home security systems use wireless technology to connect devices throughout your home. Motion sensors, door and window contacts, cameras, and alarms collect information and share it instantly. If something unusual happens, like a door opening unexpectedly, you'll receive a notification on your phone. You can view live camera feeds, talk through smart doorbells, and arm or disarm the system from virtually anywhere.
What are the key features of smart home security?
Key features include motion detection, video surveillance, smart locks, and mobile app integration. Many systems offer cloud recording, two-way audio for doorbells or cameras, and customizable alerts. Some even integrate with voice assistants, allowing hands-free control. Automation features may include routines, so lights turn on or alarms arm automatically when you leave or arrive home.
How do smart systems help protect your home?
Smart security provides real-time updates and lets you react quickly to threats even if you're not at home. Instant notifications and remote access allow you to call for help, trigger alarms, or lock doors from your phone. Visible cameras and alarms can also deter potential intruders, often preventing theft before it happens.
Do smart home security systems require professional installation?
Many smart home security systems are designed for easy DIY installation, which means you can set them up yourself with minimal tools. However, some companies do offer professional installation and monitoring services for those who prefer extra guidance or ongoing support. Always check product details to choose the option that best fits your needs.